So story time about my weird cyst thing happening here that kind of went viral. Basically, I had a pimple on my forehead last week, and in my sleep, I think I accidentally popped it because I do that really often. It popped in my sleep, and then the next day, we had a field day for some reason. Like, I don't know why there's field day in high school, but we had like a field day, and I was on the field for like 3 hours, and it was like 80-degree weather, so I got a lot of sweating really bad, so too much bacteria got into it, I think. It's draining as we speak, I'm so sorry. Too much bacteria got into it, and then the next day, it was swollen, and then the next day, like, my eyes were really swollen, and this was huge, and so I did go to a doctor. I know everyone's saying, go to a doctor. I went to a doctor. I went to urgent care, because emergency rooms are, expensive. So I went to urgent care, really nice doctor. She, said it was she marked it as an abscess, something along the lines of that. I'm not good with memory. She marked it as like an abscess, and then I had to take a minute to collect my thoughts, but she gave me antibiotics. So no, for everyone saying I'm gonna die, I shouldn't die. She said to keep hot compressions on it, which I had already been doing because I've had a lot of these happen for some reason. Most of them have been on my lips, which is why I have that little scar right there. That one was really huge. I had one right here where that scar is. And I have one right here. They're really common for me, I don't know why. But, I had to collect my thoughts again. I'm horrible at TikTok. So then, the day that I did that video with like the third eye, meow thing, I took a shower, and then I noticed it was starting to like pus a little bit right there. I'm not touching it. And then I put a warm compression on it, and then it just started to drain naturally, and I didn't pop it. I just kind of push on it to help get all the pus out, because obviously I don't want the pus in there. So I didn't really pop it, I just assisted in getting it out. So I hope that doesn't end up being horrible for me. But I've been washing my hands every day, trying not to die, but it, compared to, that one video, I think it's looking a lot better. And just today my eyes are swollen. But yeah, thanks for making me viral for some reason.